In this video, I will show you how to make this police character to walk in front view, and I'll be using Moho Pro version software for this tutorial. Make sure you watch this video to the end, and I will show you how to download this Moho Pro version software for free so that you can follow along with my tutorial. And also, please subscribe to this channel and turn on notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified about our new video. Now let's continue making the video. So as you can see, I've already imported the character that we'll be using for this tutorial. So our work now is to make this character to walk forward. Okay, so on frame 240 you have to scale this character up. So if you scale this character up on frame 240, so if you play the video from frame 1 to frame 240, you will see the way the character will be zooming. So let me play the video now and see. You see that the character is zooming towards the screen. Okay, that is the first part of making a walk cycle. You need to make that character to like zoom it on the frame you want it to stop working. Then if you play the video now, it will look as if the character is zooming forward. Then I've already added a walk cycle action. So if you want to learn how to add a walk cycle action to your character, I recommend you join my animation class where I teach my students how to make their character to walk, how to make animation move. So I've already added the front walk cycle to it. So I will just copy the keyframe of that walk cycle. Then I will now be able to paste this keyframe on my animation timeline, and the character will walk forward. So I'll press Ctrl V to paste the keyframe. You can see the character is already working, but you see that it walks and stop. So I need to be copying that frame and continue to paste it throughout the timeline till I reach frame 240. So that is how you can be able to achieve a continuous animation in Moho. So I will copy the keyframe. You see I've already pasted another one, and each keyframe lasts for 1 second. You see I've done the 3 seconds one, I've done the 4 seconds. So the character leg will be walking. Then with that zooming in effect, the character will now walk forward. So that is how you can achieve front view walk cycle. Let's say the character is walking towards the camera, towards the screen. Okay, so I will continue to paste all those things and all the keyframe that I've already added. So I'll continue to paste it. So if you want to learn how to make your character to animate your character with bone rigging so that you can make animation move, I recommend you join my animation class where I teach my students how to create a character, how to add bone rigging to a character, and how to animate the character to make animation move with your phone or your laptop. So make sure that you watch the video to the end. I will show you how to join my animation class so that when you join my animation class, you will learn how to add all these actions to your character to make it come to life. Okay, and there are easier ways to make this walk cycle animation, and I'll be talking about it at the end of this video. So make sure you watch the video to the end so that you won't miss out on that very part. Okay, so at this point I have to go into the timeline, and then as the character is walking, I want to add some facial movement. So I also use the bone rigging to make the character head to do head turn, so that the character head will turn from front view to three-quarter view. You can see I've already added that one on the keyframe. Okay, so animation on a laptop is, what I say, is very easy compared to phone, because on laptop everything is boning. You use boning to make your life easy on laptop. So you see now I've already turned the change the head turn. You see the bone I used to control the head turn. So if I click the bone, the head will turn. Okay, so that is the trick I'm using to set this character up. Okay, and if you want to get this software, okay, if you want to get this Moho software, it's a free software. So just drop a comment, I'm interested, then I will send you the link that you will use to download this Moho Pro version animation software. Okay, and if you like this character and you want to purchase this character, okay, it's available on my Gumroad store. So if you want this character, if you like this character and you want to support me, you can purchase this character and use it for your animation project and monetize your content. So make sure you watch the video to the end, because I will show you how you can purchase and download this character project file. and use it for your animation project. So in this animation, I use bone rigging to make everything very easy. So all this head movement I'm doing now, it is a secondary action. Our main primary action is the walk cycle, but then the head movement I added is just for secondary action, to make the animation come to life, very very well. Okay, so but I don't want the video to be too long, so I will fast forward on some things. But if you want to learn more, you can reach out to me. I will teach you more on how to animate with Moho. Okay, I will teach you personally. So I recommend you join my animation class for a well detailed tutorial. So you see, I'm adding facial expression to this character. I hope you are following along with my tutorial. Please, I have something to tell you. If you are watching this video and you haven't subscribed to this channel up till now, please do so. Click on the subscribe button below and also turn on notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video on this channel. So let's continue from where we stopped. So at this point, we have finished the animation. Okay, so if you add audio, you can add audio so that it will look as if your character is talking. Okay, so but I don't want this video to be too long, so I will fast forward on since you see that the character is already working. Hey, so you see, animation is very easy on laptop. So in laptop, you have a way to add actions. You can add walk cycle, you can add run cycle to make your life easy. So if you add audio, click on that layer and then add your audio. But I don't want the video to be too long, so I will fast forward the part. So go to file, then click on export. So I'm going to export this video. Okay, then set know the frame your animation will finish, then export the video. You see that the video is already exporting. You see that my Moho is a pro version, so all the tools in this software is working for free. Okay, so this software is available for my students. Anybody that join my animation class will get this software for free for his laptop animation class. So now the video have already finished. Guys, you see the way the character is working over. You see, so the walk cycle, everything looks solid and attractive. So guys, that is how you can do your animation. And once you finish your animation, you can share it on your social media platforms. Okay, so guys, how does this character look? Is it beautiful or is it ugly? You guys should rate my official talent. And if you like this character and you want to use this character in your animation project, it is available on my Gumroad cartoon shop. You can purchase and download this police character I just created. Okay, I also have other cartoon assets including Rico characters, cartoon characters, and 3D models. You can buy from my cartoon shop. So if you need characters for your animation, then check out my cartoon shop where you can buy more characters. Okay, and that once you have those characters, you can start creating your animation videos and monetize your content. So make sure you check it out. Okay, links will be in the description, so check the description of this video. You will see the link to my cartoon shop where you can purchase and download this character. Okay, but if you want to join my animation class and learn how to create this type of character, then check the description of this video. You see my WhatsApp channel link there, so click the link to join my WhatsApp channel and then contact me so that we will start the class. I promise you will gain a deeper teaching from me on how to animate cartoon character very easily. Okay, I also teach you how to animate cartoon character and how to monetize your content. Please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and also like this video, comment and share this video because I'm dropping new tutorial every week. Okay, I'll see you again next week with a new video. Bye.